In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable chart highlighting using Tableau Desktop in about 5 minutes. Disabling chart highlighting can be a crucial step in preparing your visualizations, ensuring they convey exactly what you want without unwanted emphasis or distractions. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to ensure you have Tableau Desktop opened and ready to go. Once your Tableau is up and running, you'll need to access your existing worksheet where you have your visual data displayed. Navigating to your worksheet is crucial because it's the foundation for where you'll make subsequent changes. Make sure you have your data in a viewable state before making any adjustments to your settings. Next, identify the specific sheet in your workbook where you intend to remove the highlighting. In the context of Tableau, every workbook can contain multiple sheets, so it's essential to select the right one to ensure consistency and clarity in your visuals. After you've selected the correct sheet, shift your focus to the top menu and locate the Analysis option. This menu houses several tools and functionalities crucial for manipulating your data view, one of which you'll be using shortly. Once in the Analysis menu, you'll need to proceed by creating a calculated field. This step is a pivotal part of the process because a calculated field is what essentially enables us to manipulate and control specific aspects of our data display, as it introduces a new layer of data interpretation. When you click on Create Calculated Field, a dialog box will appear prompting you to give this new field a name and to input any query or expression based on your data interpretation needs. This name helps you identify and manage the field, which you will be using shortly. Think of this field as an invisible tool that you're crafting to tailor the way data is highlighted, or perhaps not highlighted in your visual display. After naming and typing out your query, it's time to apply those changes. Carefully review your inputs, and once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Apply, followed by OK. This confirms the creation of your calculated field and saves it into Tableau's metadata for your sheet. Following this, drag your newly created calculated field onto the Detail shelf of your Tableau interface. The Detail pane is like a backstage area where elements can reside without being immediately visible, but still play a critical role in the visual narrative. Lastly, click on the highlighter, which is typically located in the toolbar above your chart, and select the calculated field you just created. What this does is essentially override and eliminate the chart highlighting, focusing your audience's attention on the data itself, rather than the interactive feature that was previously in existence. And there we have it. A straightforward approach to disable chart highlighting in Tableau. Taking control over highlighting not only streamlines your visual presentation, but also ensures that your data tells the story you intend. So keep exploring these tools to refine and perfect your data visualization projects. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing!